Conditions for a valid Hindu marriage. Hi everyone. Let's talk about something that affects millions of people in India, the conditions for a valid Hindu marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. Imagine two people planning to get married. Before they tie the knot, the law checks a few important boxes to make sure the marriage is valid. First, neither of them should already be married to someone else. This means bigamy is not allowed. You cannot have two living spouses at the same time. In fact, marrying again while your first spouse is alive can even lead to punishment under Section 494 of the Indian Penal Code. Second, both people must be capable of giving valid consent. In simple terms, they should be of sound mind and able to understand what marriage means. This ensures that marriage is a choice, not something forced or done under mental incapacity. Third, age matters. The groom must be at least 21 years old and the bride at least 18. This rule is meant to prevent child marriages and ensure maturity when entering into such an important relationship. Fourth, the couple must not be within prohibited degrees of relationship. For example, a brother cannot marry his sister. Such marriages are considered socially unacceptable unless a particular custom allows them. Finally, they must not be sabindas of each other. Sabinda means being closely related by blood within certain generations. So this rule prevents marriages between close relatives, again, unless there's a special custom that permits it. A famous case that explained these rules was Yamyanabai Anano Adav versus Ananto Shiram Adav, 1988, where the Supreme Court held that if a person marries again while the first spouse is still alive, the second marriage is void from the beginning. So, in short, the Hindu Marriage Act tries to make sure that marriages are lawful, consensual, and socially acceptable. These conditions protect individuals from fraud, forced marriages, and other disputes later on.